Dear friends, today we will discuss on herbal cosmetics. Herbal cosmetics, let us start with the definition of cosmetics. According to the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940, any article intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled or sprayed on or introduced to or applied to any part of human body for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness, body, or altering the appearance and includes any article intended for use as component of cosmetics. Now, herbal cosmetics is defined as beauty products which possess desirable physiological activities such as skin healing, smoothing, appearance, enhancing and conditioning property with the help of herbal ingredients. These are the cosmetics which are prepared using plant products having cosmetic action. Recently, the use of botanical in cosmetics have increased mainly due to the mild and non-toxic nature. In cosmetics, both natural and phyto ingredients are used. Natural products includes oil, extracts, secretion, etc. And phyto ingredients include pure constituents obtained by various processes. Classification of herbal cosmetics. Herbal cosmetics are classified on the basis of dosage form and part of the body to be applied at. Let us start with the dosage form. Various dosage forms are available, including emulsion, for example, cold cream, vanishing cream, and liquid cream, powder, face powder, talcum powder, tooth powder, and cakes include rough compacts, makeup cake, oil, hair oils, various type of hair oils, and mucilage, hand lotion, jellies, hand jellies, wave set jelly, and blend jelly, and suspension, that is a cosmetic, stocking, paste, toothpaste, and deodorant paste, soaps, shampoo soap, shaving soap, as well as toilet soap, and solution, aftershave lotion, and hair set solutions. Now, parts of organ of the body to be applied at herbal cosmetics for skin includes powder, creams, lotions, deodorants, bath and cleaning products, makeup preparation, and suntan preparation. Herbal cosmetics for hair includes shampoos, tonics, hair dressing, hair waving preparation, beard softener, shaving media, and depilations, that is the hair removers. Now, hair or herbal cosmetics for nails include nail polish and manicure preparation, and herbal cosmetic for teeth and mouth includes tooth powder, dentifrices, as well as mouthwashes. Now, let us discuss on the herbal cosmetics for skin. The herbal approach of proper skin care is principally based on the three essential steps. For example, cleanse, nourish, as well as moisture. Whatever may be the type of skin, these three steps are performed to protect the skin from the constant effect of environment, stress, and skin's natural process of cell degradation, decay. Herbal cosmetics for various type of skin. For dry skin, examples of herbs: Rubia cardifolia, and Triphylla, Tulsi, Glyceria glabra in shisham oil. Fruit face pack mask and banana or avocado pulp. For sensitive skin, example of herbs which are used: curcuma longa, Triphylla, and Azadirachta indica, mustica, and nimba in coconut oil. Fruit face marks can be used including banana or pineapple pulp. For oily skin, various herbs are used including tulsi, idhora, jatipatha, nimba, terminalia, arjuna, triphylla, curcuma longa, mustica, and mustard oil. And fruit face marks examples are strawberry or papaya pulp can be used for the oily skin. This slide show various example and common name, part use, and uses of the herbal products or herbal contents. For example, sweet flag, that's the rhizome part is used, which is the aromatic dusting powder and skin lotion. Garlic is well-known antibacterial property of garlic use. There's a bulb part is used and aloe leaf are used, which acts as the moisturizer and sunscreen emollient. Apart from that, neem and gotu-kola, comfrey, kesar, and their parts are used, which possess the various properties. According to the type of skin, these are used. Types of herbal hair care products, for example, hair oil. The hair oil are used for the dressing and nourishing the hair. This preparation is generally used to increase the growth of hair and to make them healthy. Hair oil should have following property including they should give luster to the hair, retain them soft and flowing, and invigorate the hair growth, keep the brain cool, and should not be sticky. Now, start with the hair lotion. Hair lotion has a stimulating effect upon the hair follicles. They are generally perfumed with oil of rosemary and other essence as it possesses a good stimulating property. Hair colorant. These are preparations which are used for the coloring of the hair. They enhances the attractiveness of gray hair and they are applied externally on hair with help of brush. Shampoo. Shampoo is preparation of surfactant in suitable form, liquid, solid or powder, which when used under the condition specified will remove surface grease, dirt and skin debris from the hair shaft and scalp without affecting the hair. Qualities of an ideal hair products. An ideal hair products should possess protect the hair cuticle, cleans without stripping natural oil, replace lotion, lost protein, moisture and nutrients, condition without weighing down the hair, even without porosity and prevent moisture loss. Smooth, abraded cuticle scale and prevent intense drying from atmosphere. Again, the slide show herbal ingredients used in hair care. Aloe, Brahmi, and Articum lapa, essential oil, that's a dar, Golukota, orange, lemon, Bhrangraj, and Shikakai. Various plants are used of their leaves, bulbs, root, wood, plant, peel, and pods. They act as the moisturizer, hair growth, promote hair growth, soap shampoos, hair care, and prevent hair loss, promoting growth hair as well as the coloring of the hair. Now, start with the herbal oral care. The commonly used herbal medications for oral and dental health can be classified based on their properties as plant with antimicrobial property, aloe, betel pepper, black pepper, clove, coriander, eucalyptus, garlic, and turmeric are used with antimicrobial properties. Plant with antioxidant properties, spinach pepper, and black tea, broccoli, green tea, carrot, potato, and tomato, blackberry, grapes, olive, pineapple have potent antioxidant activity. Plant with analgesic property, various herbal plants are using as the to analgesic property, including capsicum, chili, clove, ginger, menthol, peppermint, poppy, and tobacco. Herbal ingredients used in oral care. Some of the important herbs and their use in dentistry and oral care as follow. Clove oil. It has got excellent analgesic and antiseptic property which inhibits growth of all disease-causing bacteria, relieve toothache and treating bleeding gums. Aloe vera. It is an analgesic, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antiseptic in nature. Toothpicks, injuries, and chemical burn is used. Tea tree oil. It has antiseptic and antifungal property used in treatment of throat irritation. And now garlic also is the reported and well known as the antibacterial activity depend on the allicin produced by the enzymatic activity of allicin used in inhibit the growth of streptococcus mutans and therefore can be used as an effective remedy in the prevention of dental caries. Evening primrose, that is the having anti-allergic and anti-ulcer activity and used in treatment of dental caries. Neem is already reported and act as the antibacterial property, preventing and healing gum disease and other dental problems such as bleeding and plaque. Thyme. It is mainly composed of volatile oil, namely phenol, thymol, and carvacrol, which is used in contains the fluoride and used in toothpaste. Turmeric, traditional herbal drug. It is antiseptic, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and painkiller action. And miswak, it is a derivative from arg tree used in traditional toothbrush of for the oral hygiene. So, dear friends, this is all about herbal cosmetics and their uses. These are having no side effect or safe for usage. Again, you are having any query or doubt, you are feel free to ask anytime. Thank you for your patience and listening.